Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I'm out with Chatbot. Chatbot, what your opinion on the 2-day lockdown in St. Thomas?
Well, right now, the children are going to school and I cry. I have to walk all the way from foot and to come back to Prague from foot. And it's hard. And from years, they keep telling the police, them say, tell the people, do not block the road. All them out to get up them black car and demonstrate, do not burn out on the road. Because when burn it going mash the road and it's going to do a bad thing in the area for all of us, by bad pollution. So right now we need the road, but we don't want the war on the road. I want the youth then stop block the road and get them black car and demonstrate peaceful. We don't want them light on the road. Because the road, and then keep on do this, the road now go fix. And when it do fix, it now look right. So right now, our people them, like 14 parish of St. Thomas, be careful. All of we are one, and but all of us are block the road with nothing at all.
Alright.
So right now, people, we need peace and the ease. And we need peace, the eye, people who crying for help right now because they can't go into work because it was black and they can't get the money, they can't go bank, and can't go nowhere at all. So right now, people keep crying because people want to go to work, get nice money and can't get it. Some sick, want to go to the doctor and can't go through the roadblock. Right now, do people do stop blocking the government road, because when we block the government road, they blocking all of us. And we can't go up, and we can't go down, and we can't go south, we can't nowhere at all. We need a good, peaceful demonstration in the part of St. Thomas between Lethal, Prospect, Woodmaran, Mithial, and here there. We need peaceful demonstration, do not burn up on the road and here there. We need peaceful demonstration, these people do. Now beg them, for God's sake, stop block the road, if I tree them and if I stone and buckle. Because when I buckle back on the road, it's going to punch and we see one car tire and it not look right. Can't tell you no, get black car and demonstrate peaceful and the only one road. Because when we get the road, most of us are going to say if we know. Because we're going dead before time. Because see it, right now later and the main one right now, they might run the car and not take time. And pick now because schools now going to be careful in the area because anytime the road done, but you have to buy more earth and more dead house. Because that needs to happen right now. So people are begging to do. Road no want, road no go and get, but hope and go and get the road and hope and can manage it. So all of crying in a bad, sunny and all about the road, when we get the road, be careful. Be careful.
Yes, Pops.
Because anyhow, una careful, una see when I go run off a road. Because I can't get mad on the road right now. Right now, the more car will come out, and the more things are going to happen. Once you are going to do, going to be there with the big bus, and as soon as you are going, I going to happen run the year now. Now, beg you know, be careful. When you get the road, take time drive, have caution, and know how to work on the car and work on the parent, and make things better rabbit all the way. Because now we don't do it perfect, and I beg you know, for peace sake, take time drive around from government road. We don't want no more funeral or no more burial. We tired of it. The enough is the enough. We can't no longer, and we can't no longer. So all our quiet road, I beg you know, please take time drive. And all our walk, look we car man them, truck man them, bike man them in the night. Because I'm right by the road and I no light now I'm breathing. Look with them same way. But today, I can't tell you no keep walking out. When you get the road, members to me tell us be careful, take time drive have caution, who drunk, do not drive. Stay home, and when you sober, you can go on the road again. And when you want to sleep, come by the road and go sleep on the yard. Or drag in a car and say, I'm going to sleep. Because when you want to sleep, nothing be sleep.
Alright, Chatbot, let me hear you now. Thanks very much for the interview, Chat.